Hello. In continuation to what Keshavatullah has said, so the consciousness, when Christoph, you said that there is attention but without consciousness. So how can there be, from Buddhist perspective, attention itself is consciousness? So again, because of the ambiguity of the term and the concept of the meaning of the consciousness, there's some problem that we, as the attention is a cognitive entity, and the itself is consciousness. So when you say that there is attention but no consciousness, so how would you define the consciousness but the having attention without consciousness?
Okay, so about definition. So I think science, it's less about rigorous definition. Definition usually happen when you write a textbook. Then you try to define things like a planet is. And then often you get into difficulty. So instead, science works by having a working hypothesis, by having an operation, and you apply this operation, and you use this operational definition. So we have sort of working definitions of a conscious experience and attention, how to manipulate it. So I can get you to fixate here, and then I show something here or here, and I ask you, can you detect it? And so this is an operational definition of, can you dissociate, can you shift your attention around? And so we have these practical ways. Now, they may not be exactly what you mean by, you have a 2,400-year-old tradition of it, sophisticated, and it may not exactly map onto what we mean in the lab when we practically measure attention or manipulate attention in the laboratory.
This is precisely the the place where the two traditions, not having a clearer sense of what is meant by consciousness, when the neuroscientists like yourself say consciousness. For Buddhists, when the term consciousness is used as a broad term